Okay, welcome. Today we are going to look at how we are going to buy any coin from a decentralized exchange. Let's assume you have the contract address of the token. But if you don't know how to get the contract address of a token, come to your coin market cap, type the name of the token you're looking for from this search icon here. Once that is done, the name will come out. Now let's assume this is the token we want to buy from a decentralized exchange. Now this is the contract here, and if you can check well, or if you can see well, it's saying that it's a smart chain contract. Then you click on this copy. I have copied the contract address. There's a little paper here. I click on copy. I've copied it. Then we now move straight to Trust Wallet. I want to be as quick as possible. I don't want this video to be very long. I don't want the video to be very long. Please just follow me through. Then we'll come here. Then click on the apps. Click on this icon here. Then we are going to look for Pancakes swap. Then we'll click on Pancakes swap. So once it loads, we are going to now swap this token address we've copied. Now, for you to be able to do this, you have to have smart chain, BNB smart chain token in your Trust wallet for you to be able to do this, not the normal BNB. Now, we are swapping BNB to this token. I don't think I have much BNB in my Trust wallet. What I'm going to do is, let me assume I'm using all. Then let me paste that contract address here. Okay, then I'll paste the contract address I just copied. Then it will just give me a warning. Yes, I want to import it. I will say yes. I have to understand, then I will import it. Now, let me see if what I have here can be able to buy this token, which I doubt. I don't think it can be able to buy the token here. Because I don't have much token here, that's why I cannot be able to buy this 0.009. Let me see. I don't think I can be able to buy this token here. Okay, I was able to buy something. Let me see if it can go. Now I have this quantity. Now let me swap. But because of the gas fee, I might not be able to have a successful transaction. Let me confirm the swap and see if it can go. So your network also determines how fast the swapping will also be. Maybe why we're having these delays because of certain network issues. So this is what I have. It's telling me insufficient BNB. Sorry, because I don't want to spend time in doing this. Let me just go back. I don't have much BNB. So let's assume I've been able to do this. It will just automatically swap. And then once I've done this, I will now come back and it will give me a successful message. Then I will come back to my dashboard here. Then I will have to add this token to my list of tokens here, because it's not because it's already listed on coinmarketcap. Then it will appear. Then I will click on this icon up here to be able to add the token. But because I did not buy it, I cannot be able to add it to my list of tokens. So I can't be able to add it here because I don't have it bought. So that's it. So once it's done, it will pop up somewhere here. It just pop up somewhere here. So I'll just click on add, I'll just click on add and that's it. So because I did not buy it, so that's why I might not be able to add it. So once it's done, the token will just pop up here, and that's all. And that's how you actually buy your token. Thank you, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. I'll also drop a link to the Telegram group in case you have more questions about how to buy tokens or shitcoins or things related to trading. And see you in the other side of the internet. Peace.